In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use a more specific scientific calculator in MacBook. So basically, first you need to open your calculator tab. If you have not been in your doc, you can just command space and just generate out calculator. So basically, you can just open calculator from this search bar. So let's start. So first of all, you need to open calculator, and mostly default calculator is this basic version of calculator, and you can go to the top panel here, and you also can convert basic into scientific, and also you can convert into programmer calculator. So yeah, this is how you can convert calculator to another version. You also can check for others conversion and also the settings of the calculator to suit your role using calculator. Basically, that's all how you can make use of calculator. Thank you for watching.